made it.
Say hi, John. We made it to the beach. Coast to coast. We finally made it.
Not in yet.
Almost. I'm like 200 feet away from making it, touching the Atlantic and Pacific Ocean in 2 weeks.
It's pretty impressive.
It is impressive. I'd never done it before. We went to New York a couple years ago in May. We didn't go on the beach or anything.
Wait.
And then we're back here in 2011. Oh, it's so nice to hear the ocean again. It's been too soon. It's been too soon. Too long. Too soon. Too long. Look at that. The water really comes in when it breaks compared to Outer Banks. We're trying to find a place to put our stuff so our hooks can get stolen. The water is going to be cold. Officially, I'm going to make it. I'm going to be touching. Sorry, Johnny. I always. We're going to go right here. Okay, I'm officially about to touch the Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean in 2 weeks. Here we go. See, that's going to be a lot colder. That's not bad. That's not bad compared to Outer Banks. Outer Banks is about the same. Officially we've done it. That's not that bad at all. Okay, oh, there goes my pants. Look at that. Okay, put my stuff down now. I'm going far to the back. When the tide comes in, we made it. Man, the beach is actually our last full day too. Tomorrow is the half day, and tomorrow night we're leaving. We're going to have them stop in Vegas, and then we're going back home to Pittsburgh. So this is it, the last full day. It's ending on the beach. Sand's definitely a lot different than Outer Banks. But look, it's more like a grass color than a tan. So I think that's pretty cool. So, what we're doing, we're gonna get ready to go into the ocean. The water's actually not that bad. It's actually really isn't. Once you're in it for a while. Yeah. How nice it's been nice, clear every day. There hasn't been a cloud in the sky other than the morning. So different.
Take a picture of me.
I will, hold on.
Wait.